All right, guys, welcome back. So, look who's back. The old 63 split window Corvette Pro Street car that I did last year for a buddy of mine, Jerry. And the reason it's back is because when you're building something like this, planning and having all the parts are very important before you paint a car. So I ran these graphics up over this roof, as you see, and thinking that the windshield was going to come all the way up to here with the rubber and everything in it. Well, we got the rubber for it. That's a sample piece that's in there, and you can see it's just barely big enough to cover up this graphic. So now I'm faced with the task of extending all these lines down so it will be covered by this piece of rubber, the window molding, when we put the window in. Very important though to have all this stuff first, okay? So I've got to do that, and the same issue with the rear window. I thought it was going to come all the way up to here, and it turns out that's not quite long enough here, so I'm going to have to bring in all these colors back down, further down, so hopefully I can do it without having to re-clear this whole body. I'm going to try and reverse tape this edge, keep all my work right in here somehow, clear coat it, and try to make it not look like it's been spotted in. So anyways, that's my little project this week. I thought you guys might want to see the project I'm working on, so I thought I'd show it to you. There's the split window Corvette. Once again, it's back in my shop. And hopefully, you know, it won't come back for anything else. So anyways, guys, let's go inside. I've got an update on my Blue Ox model car group build for the street machines. And I'll show you what I've got going on in there. And I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so now we're back inside. I want to give you an update on my Blue Ox street machine group build. The other day I showed you this Camaro. It was pearl white, and I had already applied the canned heat decal on it and sanded it with 800 sandpaper, and then I started laying it out with a bunch of tape, okay? And being how this is for the Blue Ox group build, I thought I would do it all in blues. I did the interior in blues, and I also did the car in a couple of shades of candy blue over that pearl white base. I'm not really sure if you can see the pearl in there, but it's very pearly when you see it in person. Yeah, you can see a little bit in there. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update on this. It's probably 85–90% built already. All I have to do now is just the final assembly. I'm going for a 70s type street machine. Street machine slash street freak. So I went with the, you know, the aluminum slotted mags, the fat tires all the way around. I stuck a Goodyear decal on that, which really worked good. That's from Slicks Decals. So if you ever need Goodyear or any kind of lettering, they have lots of different names, but the Slicks really worked really good. And so I have that. Of course, it will have the 70 style Lakewood traction bar. That looks pretty cool under there. And yeah, I should be done with this thing pretty quick here. All I got to do now is put the windows in, do a little fine, you know, checking everything. It'll have the side pipes on the side, just like a 70s car would have. And she'll be done. And then we'll move on to the next project, which I have a stack here of cars that are lined up to be painted. So, all right, guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Please give me a like, leave me a comment, because I like to read them all. And subscribe if you haven't, and please share it with your friends. And I will see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks.